The beat goes on, and the drummer is an old molesty curmudgeon called Joe Biden. Listen to this guy.
There are about 90 million Americans who are eligible to get the shot, but haven't gotten it yet. As I just mentioned, nearly all of the cases, hospitalizations, and deaths due to COVID-19 today are from unvaccinated people. Last month, a study showed that over 99% of COVID-19 deaths have been among the unvaccinated. 99%. This is an American tragedy. People are dying and will die who don't have to die.
Who don't have to die. Isn't that creepy in itself? Isn't it creepy that this lump of silly putty right here with a really bad wig, this lump of silly putty that they have somehow managed to have sound come out of the mouth, don't have to die. I hate when he whispers. It triggers my misophonia. It triggers it. And I've been doing very well with it. Very well with it. But whispering creeps, I can't do that. I can't be around it. And you want to know the outright lie? 99%. Here, remember this. This is from NBC last week. More than 5,100 breakthrough COVID cases reported in Massachusetts. At least 80 have died. As of July 17th, a total of 5,166 breakthrough cases have been reported into the state DPH, Department of, I guess, Public Health. Of those, 272 people were hospitalized and survived. Of the 80 people who died, 23 died without being hospitalized. 57 died while following a hospital stay. These are. This has been popping up all and in Europe as well. 99%. Health officials insist vaccine confidence should not be shaken and say that these numbers should be put into perspective. The overwhelming majority of the reported breakthrough cases, more than 93%, did not result in either hospitalizations or death, which is pretty convenient, seeming, though, that the alpha variant of this pandemic is 99.7% survivable. So that 99.7% of the public have absolutely no danger posed to them, whether they're vaccinated or not. And, of course, it doesn't matter whether you're vaccinated or not. You're still going to pass it and give it if that's the case. Well, Frank, over 600,000 people have died. Well, yeah, 2 to 3 million people die in our country every year from a multitude of things. And within those 3 million people, I'm sure that you can go and recategorize at least 600,000 deaths to suit your purposes. We saw several diseases just disappear altogether. And they had the nerve to say it's because people were wearing bandanas around their mouth. And simply put, if 99% of COVID-19 deaths were among the unvaccinated, they wouldn't be pushing people to get vaccinated this badly. They would just say, all right, well, we know who most of the people who are refusing the vaccine are, and we hate them anyway. I mean, the disdain and the hatred that is shown toward the unvaccinated in this country is palpable. Palpable, because it's completely rooted in political gangsterism. 100%. I'm sure that there are people out there who take a little bit more nuanced stances, and they may have voted Republican, and they're still follow the science types, even though only one conclusion of the science is ever allowed to be discussed around here. That doesn't trip any switches, no red flags, no nothing, no alarms, no alarm bells go off. Simply put, man, if 99% of those who are dying right now were unvaccinated, I don't think they'd even be pushing this hard. I really don't think that they would even be pushing this hard. Because they don't care. They don't care. So it's like it's selfishness that is layered on top of broken logic. Because if you have nothing to fear, if everybody's going to give each other, if the virus is going to land and spread no matter what, and the only hedge you have is to get this vaccine to keep you potentially maybe out of the hospital, then there's really no reason why anybody should be forced to take this. It's there for whoever wants it. And there's no lack of access. No lack of access. You can go to a 7-Eleven and you can get a fucking shot next to the hot dog machine, the thing with the hot dog and the rollers. You can get a shot anywhere. So, makes no sense. Never will, but I'll keep hammering that home because it makes no sense. But still, they're trying to recruit as much help as they can. Here is a from the New York Times. To fight vaccine lies, authorities recruit an influencer army. The White House has teamed up with TikTok stars, while some states are paying local micro-influencers for pro-vaccine campaigns. So they're going to go and they're going to pay a bunch of midwits who don't even know what gender they are in the morning to get people to go who have already made a decision. They've already made a decision that they don't want it. But they've got an army of midwits. That's going to be real effective. Real effective.